I've come here to see Dr. Galyna and hear all about a new machine called Cellution, which treats cellulite with 4 different treatment modalities, I think all at once. So come along with me, we'll meet Dr. Galyna, we'll find out how it works. So Galyna, what is cellulite?
Just imagine that anatomically we have fibroid bands, and they are the bands that run between the fascia that sits on top of the muscle through the subcutaneous fat layer and into the skin. And they attach themselves to the skin and pull in. The stronger the pull of the fibroid band, the more the rippling and dippling effect of the cellulite is. 100% of women probably will experience cellulite at one point in their life. And this has to do with hormonal changes, this has to do with changes in our adipose tissue or us putting on weight. So we live, we evolve as human beings, we age, our skin gets more lax, we lose collagen, we lose elastin, hyaluronic acid. So all those changes will lead to appearance of cellulite.
And it's all very normal, but we don't like the look of it, do we?
From a health perspective, it's harmless. However, from an aesthetic perspective, it's probably #1 most requested treatment when it comes to your patients.
Okay. Now, tell me about Cellution, because this new device has got a lot going for it, and I'm really curious to hear.
Exactly. Well, I think Delio, the company behind it, has looked into the problem and realized it's a complex problem and has given it a complex solution, which means that there are 4 different energies going for tackling cellulite. So first of all, it has the high focus diodes, and they create the thermal effect that we need to get the reaction. Secondly, it's the mechanical massage and the suction itself. So we need that to break down the pool of fibroid tissue, but also to boost your lymphatic drainage and to activate your lymphatic drainage system. Then you have the unique feature, which is the cosmeceuticals, or those special serums for the body that penetrates through your skin to improve the result. And of course, we finish with this shockwave. Not painful, not scary. It's a high vibration tool that provides a lot of vibration. Again, reduces the pool of the fibroid tissue. So that's actually essential.
Amazing. So you're heating, you're draining, you're treating, you're vibrating everything.
Brilliant summary. So this is distributing the serum, and this is the serums. So this is the cosmeceutical range that they've created specifically for this treatment. And you can see it almost sprinkles the serum evenly into the entire treatment area.
Which bit is this? Is this everything at once?
So this is simultaneously. The only separate treatment is actually the shockwave that we do at the end. So this is simultaneously, you have the high intensity diodes, the suction, which creates the mechanical almost massage, and the lymphatic drainage activation. You see pink is coming.
So you're already getting the circulation moving.
And you can see the suction working. So we need that suction to break down the pool of the fibroid tissue. How is the sensation, Gina?
It feels fine. It feels quite relaxing, actually.
Exactly. And is it pleasant?
Yeah. But at the moment, this feels like I'm on a massage chair.
Excellent.
That's what it feels like.
And who is it good for?
Actually, it's quite universal because it can tackle different types of cellulite. Sometimes on a larger patient, you might want to combine it with more fat-specific treatments, for example, cryolipolysis, so Crystal Pro. Pretty much all patients will have positive results. Some might take 6 sessions, some might take 10 sessions, but even after one first session, you see that it's starting to work.
Because cellulite is quite a tricky, multifaceted thing. What kind of things do people need to be doing at home to support the treatment?
We also advise on lifestyle modifications. And of course, we need to stimulate lymphatic drainage. The simplest way to do it is physical exercise. You don't have to do 2 hours at the gym, 15-20 minutes brisk walk, and water. That is a guaranteed. Good hydration is a guaranteed way to stimulate your lymphatic system.
And the treatments are quite quick, aren't they?
If you, of course, do different multiple areas, and some patients do the abdomen, not only the usual offenders, which is the saddlebags and the buttocks and the front of the leg, but some women have cellulite on their abdomen, arms. So actually, it depends on the area, but it is a relatively quick treatment. Within an hour, you're done. You can do 2-3 sessions a week. So even if you have a quick holiday coming up and you really want to perk yourself up, you can complete the treatment in 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. So there is pretty much no contraindication to the treatment. So you can do it at any stage of your life. This is the shockwave. Yeah. The shockwave breaks down the pool of the fibroid band and also stimulates lymphatic drainage and just improves the blood circulation. God, it does pretty much everything, but that's what's called shockwave.
What does it feel like?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
It sounds scary.
Just the sound, okay. You were mentioning there are wellness aspects of this treatment as well. That's really interesting.
Well, I think because lymphatic drainage and lymphatic system activation gets rid of the debris. And I think that's very important. It's basically a wellness procedure, not only a cellulite procedure. And we have male patients and they do the procedure for reduction of the muscle pain.
Okay. So for flushing out the lactic acid
after the workout. Exactly. And then I personally do it after a busy day when I want to feel light on my feet again.
So it gives you that pick-me-up?
It gives me that pick-me-up. Okay. It almost gives you that endorphins. It's a really good wellness treatment.
Fantastic. So that was Cellution, a really innovative way of tackling cellulite with these 4 different treatment modalities. Thank you very much for watching.